For those of you who are like me that just want a quick and easy chocolatey dessert, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing chocolate mug cake. All it really takes is some ingredients from your fridge and pantry. All you have to do is microwave it for 45 seconds and it comes out so yummy, and you can eat it with ice cream. I like to add coconut flakes in mine. That's optional for you. Chocolate chips is so good with it, and you can eat it for a snack or whenever you like. Here's the recipe. Hope you enjoy.